just setting up down the middle of the plate. And if they miss a little bit, you're still throwing strikes.
Served into left center field. It's a base hit. Wise scores. Stewart will score. Jeter goes to third. It's a 2-run single for Curtis Granderson. And the Yankees lead 3-0.
And again, so far this series, the Yankees have been good with runners in scoring position. And then Masterson missed all the way across the plate. It's supposed to be here. It ends up over here. Curtis Granderson does a good job as a lefty, fighting that ball off and driving it the other way.
And that is tonight's Sweet Swing of the Game, brought to you by Hershey Park. Ride the edge with Sky Rush this year, only at Hershey Park.
See, that ball got way in on the label, but if you stay through that ball and don't pull off of it, as Curtis Granderson did, you'll fight that ball off the other way. And again, as a left-handed hitter with a guy that with this good a sinker, your best style of hitting is to try to drive the ball to left center field.